planning for this snowflake, I learned a lot about SpaceX. Let me know what you think, and maybe you'll learn something too. Grab a piece of paper and a pair of scissors, and let's get started. Now, humans have been sending things to space since long before I was born. The unique thing about SpaceX is being the first private company to successfully launch, orbit, and recover a spacecraft. The first private company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station. The first private company to send astronauts to orbit. And the first to reuse an orbital rocket. This specific snowflake is based off the Falcon 9 rocket. At the time of this recording, the Falcon 9 rocket has already had 159 total launches, including 98 total reflights. These days you can make it to space without becoming an astronaut, as long as you have the money to pay for it. Thank you, SpaceX. Many people, when they think of SpaceX, also think of its founder, Elon Musk. He ultimately has a goal to take humans to Mars. In addition to making rockets, SpaceX is also developing a constellation of satellites called Starlink, with several thousand satellites that will provide internet access to people in rural areas or in places where it's hard to get high-speed internet access. How do they get these Starlink satellites to space? You guessed it, on the Falcon 9 rocket. Now, if the Falcon 9 does not have enough thrust for your load, you can put 3 of them together in what SpaceX calls the Falcon Heavy, which is the most powerful operational rocket in the world today. And if 3 Falcon 9s aren't enough, put 6 of them together, and you'll have a Falcon 9 SpaceX Snowflake. Thank you very much. You can make paper snowflakes all seasons and for all reasons. If you like this snowflake video, check out this one next, or subscribe for more.